Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to check out Sea Ray's 21 SPX outboard version. You can see we have the white hull with the black bottom. Kind of ties nicely with the black rub rail stainless steel insert. This is the sport tower. It's nice to pull a tube from a high point. As we make our way to the back, you can see the Mercury 200 outboard 4-stroke, very quiet, fuel efficient. Nice 4-step ladder with the grab handle to make access on and off the boat easy at the sandbar. Let's check out the inside of the boat. On the swim platform, you can see the sea deck as we make our way into the boat. Nice storage here for your batteries. You do have your switch. Massive sun lounge here that does have a backrest if you want to hang off the back. Huge storage. The boat does come with a full cover. Nice seating inside the boat with the integrated cooler here. Storage here is good for, your wet gear. And here is a removable cooler. This is the dual helm. Integrated Simrad. Fusion stereo. Nice flip-up bolster on the captain's chair as well as the opposing chair. Lockable storage for all your personal items while you're at the sandbar. Bow seating, put your feet up, relax. There's storage underneath each side. Also a dedicated anchor locker with the tie-off cleat. If you have any questions or want to check this boat out, give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.